So let's take a look at this very simple classic broccoli salad. The ingredients are broccoli, carrots, craisins, I'm using craisins, most people use raisins, and onions. Then the salad dressing, I used a homemade cashew mayo that I used with some fresh squeezed lemon juice and as a sweetener, maple syrup. This is a classic salad. People have eaten it for years. Really simple. The main star of this video for this salad is the broccoli. See here, it's already broken up because you're going to be eating it in the salad. Pretty salad, right? Broccoli has been nicknamed the green chemo prevention by researchers. It's been named this because it contains sulforaphane. Not just broccoli, but all cruciferous vegetables have it. Broccoli, kale, cabbage, cauliflower, stuff like that. But this ingredient in the whole plant-based food, broccoli, that we're talking about today, that phytochemical is effective in preventing and treating various cancers: prostate, breast, colon, kidney, oral, to name a few. The important thing is that when you cut it, you need to cut it up and wait a little bit before you eat it, because part of the chemicals, the phytochemicals, are located in different parts of the broccoli. And so if you just cut it and eat it, it'll break up in your mouth, so you'll get the benefits. But if you cook it, you need to cut it and wait about 40 minutes before you cook it, so that the benefits can merge or mix or get together, however they need to do it, so that you get the full benefits. Also, if you cook it, you need to know that you should also eat some raw cruciferous with it to help break up and mix with the myrosinase and the glucoraphan get together to make the sulforaphane if you cook it. So the chemical reactions change if you're cooking it. But like I said, if you're just eating it raw, it'll make the difference in your mouth, because your teeth break it up and the saliva gets together, and you should be salivating just looking at this. This is so pretty. Anyway, this salad is basically thrown together however much of what you want. There is no real recipe this time. It's really just putting together leftovers from Thanksgiving, saying, hey, how can I use that and get the most from it and be tasty, and in this case, really pretty. Okay.